Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jira dependency mapping with advanced roadmaps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the advanced roadmaps feature. Select the plan you want to work with, or create a new one. Once in your plan, click on the Dependencies tab. Identify the issues you want to map dependencies for. To add a dependency, select the first issue. Drag from the small dot on the right side of the issue card to the issue you want to connect. Release the mouse to create the dependency link. You can adjust the type of dependency by clicking on the link created. Choose from types like blocks, is blocked by, relates to, and more. If you need to remove a dependency, click on the dependency line. Press the delete key to remove it. To visualize your dependencies, use the timeline view. Switch to the timeline view by selecting the appropriate option at the top. You will now be able to see how issues relate based on the dependencies mapped. To further refine your setup, adjust the filters. Use filters to display specific teams, projects, or timelines. This helps to focus on relevant dependencies. Consider adding additional context to your issues. You can do this by utilizing custom fields in Jira. Utilize the info section to add notes or descriptions that clarify the dependency. Ensure all stakeholders have access to the plan. Share the plan link with your team for easier collaboration. Regularly review and update the dependencies as projects evolve. Staying up to date minimizes risk of miscommunication. With your dependencies properly mapped, you now have a clearer view of project timelines. This will enhance project management and increase team efficiency. Continue to refine your mapping as you progress through your projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.